So, Saturday, September 15th, 2018. So it started about 6:30 p.m. at some friend's house for dinner. Stopped after I had a brownie for dessert. Then I'm starting up again. It's 10:40 p.m. This sucks. What's that?
You're stressing too.